We tell y'all the same stuff. Everybody's selling the same dreams out here. We all telling you the same stuff. Hey, what's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl, Miss Khrissy. Christina with a K. Hey, Christina with a K. Hey, girl. Hey, boy. How you doing? How you feeling? The wig got me feeling good, y'all. Obviously, I am gushing. I'm gonna tell you guys about a wig that was sent over by Outre. Thank you guys so much for sending over this wig. This is the wig from the Sleeklay part collection in the style Dariana. She's easy. She's beginner friendly, and she's a slay all day. Okay. Dropping bars on y'all. Anyway, y'all, I'm gonna show y'all basically how I customize it out the pack, then tell you how I feel. Give this video a thumbs up for me, hit that subscribe button. Let's jump into it.
I don't have to party to have fun, you see. I got different hobbies, and that's all I need. Some say life is boring, but I disagree. I wake up and live my dream. Someday soon I'm gonna make it. Yeah, all hard work's gonna be worth it. Ooh, everyone who didn't believe it, they don't know worth it. I'm gonna try. Work till I die, till I die, till I die. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm gonna cry, chasing the highs, yeah, the highs, yeah, the highs. I'm gonna fail and get up, 'cause I'm not giving up on my dream. I'm not into drinking, that's just wasting time. I'd rather be spending it on working out. Some say I'm too uptight, but I disagree. I wake up and live my dream.
I'm ready to talk about this wig. She is gorgeous, y'all. First of all, I needed a really quick wig to put on because the family is out the house. I needed a quick wig to put on, and I think this wig definitely did what it needed to do. This wig was sent over by Outre. Thank you guys so much for sending over this wig. Got me smiling. So this wig is from the Outre Sleeklay part collection. I have the style Dariana, and she is 20 inches. I have the color DRFF Honey Brown. So you guys know there are different collections with these synthetic wigs. If you're familiar with this channel, if you're new here, if you're not, Outre has different collections. This is the Sleeklay part collection. What that means is that basically your part is going to be sleek, it's going to be laid, it's going to be slayed. A little bit of specs of what this wig claims, and then I'm going to tell you how I feel. But I mean, I'm telling you how I feel. It says that basically it's a humpless kind of part. That's what the Sleeklay collection is. It's supposed to give you like this laid, sleek part without being humpy. It says it's a wide hand-tied lace part, which I do agree. It's kind of like a T-part wig. The part is a little bit wider, so it's not as humpy, so I do like that. Sometimes the tracks start up here in some wigs and then you get that humpiness, but the part is further out. Like the tracks kind of start right here. Pre-plucked hairline, natural baby hairs, heatless finish, blah, blah, blah. Okay, I shouldn't say blah, 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 blah. That's kind of rude. Oh my God. You're gonna get a lot of pretty colors in here. A lot of DRFF, which are your face framing highlight colors. I have this honey brown color, and man, honey brown always reminds me why I love this color so much. I love this color so much. This is the color actually on the stock card, if you guys are curious. So as far as Sleeklay part wigs go, I did recently review a wig from this collection in Emery. That one, I don't know, I wasn't feeling her too much, but this one I'm feeling. I am gushing, I am smiling, I am like, get this wig. It was so easy to put on, guys. When I say beginner friendly to a T, like you literally have to do minimal customizations on this wig and you plop her on your head. Now, as far as the humpiness goes, yeah, the tracks don't start here, so it's not going to be humpy, but do you have to customize just slightly out the pack? Yes. If you don't want to look wiggy, you need to put a little bit of work into it. And what I mean by that get you a hot comb. I didn't used to do this when I kind of first started, and it makes a difference with your wig. I went in, if you guys saw, and I kind of smoothed out the top here so it doesn't look humpy, because when it looks humpy like that, you're gonna look like you have a wig on, and that's why people don't like wigs, because you look like you got a wig on. When you smooth it out, you look like you're coming out the scalp, and you look natural. And you look realistic. So do that. I do recommend you go in with the back of the hot comb and not the whole thing, because you'll want to pull it all the way through. And if you do, you're going to lose these waves, girl. And keep in mind, this is a synthetic wig, so it will straighten out if you pull it all the way through. I love these waves on here. It's just really flowy. It's really pretty. This face frame and highlight, you're going to get this nice blonde in the front here, and you're going to get this brown in the back, dark roots. Like, she is so pretty. You can shift this wig, but it was looking a little too straight for me, so you kind of have to curve it and do all that, but I didn't feel like doing that. If you guys also saw, I went in with a little bit of powder underneath the lace. I sprayed her down with bedhead, and then I put powder on top of the lace to make it look like a crooked part. The hairline is a little dense, but it's a middle part, y'all. Like, it's pretty much a plop on your head wig. What more do you want? What do you want? This wig is pretty. This wig is so pretty. I did go in with a wig grip this time. Sometimes I'm real hesitant to go in with a wig grip, y'all, because I have headache issues. My head hurts sometimes. Like, I've been struggling for 1.5 years. Yes, ever since post-COVID, but that's another story. My head still hurts randomly. And sometimes things that are just way too tight on my head, it's too tight. But this wig feels good. The cap feels good. So I felt like I can go in with my wig grip. With that being said, all I did was spray right here, but I didn't go in all the way down. So I don't feel like you need to, because this is one of those wigs, you ain't gonna see all that. You ain't gonna see that. So all you need to do is basically melt right here with a little bit of spray so she don't slide on you. You don't want your wig sitting back here while you in the middle of grocery shopping, okay? You gonna scare the people in aisle 7. So secure the wig with a little bit of adhesive and a wig grip, and you're gonna be okay. I've been doing a lot of natural colors lately because some of you guys aren't comfortable with color. But seriously, why not? This is what you pay for with a synthetic wig. I'm trying to tell y'all, get on these colors. The colors do something, and I have to pay all this money to go to the salon and get this look. Like, that's the beauty of synthetic wigs. I'm gonna keep stressing it. This is gorgeous, and Outre does it. They nail it when it comes to the face frame and highlights. They nail it when it comes to the colors. So I am really, really impressed with this wig. The more and more I wear this wig, the more I'm like falling in love with her. I'm definitely getting this wig in a natural color. Now, when I wear her again, I probably will consider like plucking up this a little bit, but I didn't really have time. I told y'all the family coming home soon. She's a winner, y'all. She's cute. She is quick and easy. This wig is reminding me of Adelaide. I did review that wig. Check it out right here. It was a longer version to this wig with these waves. It's absolutely reminding me of that, but I love the fact that we're getting 20 inches with this wig. You can go in with baby hairs if you want. I did not do that. I just kind of push them back a little bit, but who's gonna see all that? It's the stuff underneath the bed. You're not gonna see all that. Come on, y'all. Don't put too much work into these wigs. It's not that serious. So the texture of this wig, this texture is definitely on the silky side, but it's not Barbie doll silky, and it's not silky where it gets tangled. Like, I'm running my fingers through it. There's some silky synthetic wigs where it's too silky that you get snags. I am getting a little bit of snags, but it's not like tangly. Like, it's nothing that a brush can't fix. So I do like that. She's not textured. So on my textured people that like texture, don't attempt to say she's not textured, because we know this. We know she's not textured. This wig is not for you. Get another wig. This wig's not for you. This wig is definitely on the silky side with a slight light yaki, but I'm okay with that because I'm gliding my fingers through it, and it's not getting too tangly. It's not too synthetic-y tangly. And I did also go in with a little bit of wig spray. You guys know how I do over here. I use synthetic wig spray. I use a little bit of serum. Recently, I've been using this Simply Styling spray. It works, but I feel like serum is a little bit more heavier for me. This is my opinion. What other people do with their life is their business. I'm telling you what works for me. So I do like to go in with a little bit of synthetic wig spray. It kind of conditions the wig a little bit, and a little bit of serum. Every once in a while, I'll probably use this, but will I buy it again? I'm not too sure. I absolutely do love just using serum. It's the same thing, y'all. It's silicone. I mean, it's just the form of how you like it. We tell y'all the same stuff. Everybody's selling the same dreams out here. We all telling you the same stuff. I might tell you the synthetic wig spray from Brandywine, and somebody else might tell you they like this one, you know, or they like this one. It's the same stuff. It's the same. Do I recommend this wig? Absolutely. I think she's perfect. I think she's great for beginners. I think she's great for I need a quick wig, a quick style. I'm looking cute. This wig ranges in the 35 to 45, 40, whatever they feel like doing that day. It depends on the site, but it is very affordable. Talk to me in the comments. Let me know how y'all feel about this wig. Give this video a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe. And I'm going to talk to y'all later. Bye!
Yeah, all hard work's gonna be worth